Yeah.
Over it out.
Going out.
Live all the way in Kennesaw, Bear Parkway.
You an hour. How you deal with traffic?
Huh?
How the hell you deal with traffic? I know you do
They
that.
quick coming here, but going home.
You know what I'm
like
saying?
an hour
When we get
and
out, right? I know that shit. What?
I'll stay. I ain't gotta be
Hell
home
no,
like
right?
that. You know what I mean? I can stay away and be good with my girl.
You must go around or something.
Sometimes I can go to the highway. But sometimes I actually go do some shit.
That shit crazy. Wait, said it over with. Yo, I said you be making bombs and shit.
I used to. I don't make it no more.
You used to be making bombs and shit. Like, how the hell you got there? Come out some. What?
Not on some terrorist shit.
Huh?
If that what everybody think, it ain't on no terrorist shit. Just be like doing it.
Hey, I ain't never thought of no shit like that. We used to kick those. We ain't got make
I did the same
goddamn weapon.
Kick those. I used to steal cars for chop shop. I used to do all that shit.
You know how to make them? You don't be selling them?
What?
Like on fire when you make them.
What?
When y'all be making the gun, y'all don't sell them?
I mean, I can. I mean, I might sell mine soon.
Yeah.
It's only because I want another pistol.
Yeah, I can get some shit in my name though, so I might just do that shit.
Yeah, I'm straight legit. Everything legit on me.
Yeah, I might just do my shit like that.
I always go legit because motherfuckers be trying to fuck with me. When
Yeah,
last
yeah.
cop pulled me over, he was like, keep your gun loaded. I was like, nah, fuck that. So you could pull out your gun and shoot me? Fuck that. Fuck that shit. I keep it unloaded.
Yeah, you can get in trouble if they be saying some shit like if that shit in arm's reach, like what the fuck it gonna be?
Yeah,
If you driving, where your
that's
shit?
why I said, why do I need to
gonna be
keep
at?
that shit loaded if I'm just driving? Yeah, if I'm walking down the street, yeah, it's gonna be loaded. But if I'm just in my car, I ain't gonna be loaded.
You never know what the fuck gonna happen out here, man. Fuck all that. I ain't got no reason to be fucking with you though.
Where you from?
I'm from Atlanta.
You from Atlanta?
Yeah.
Where you stay at? Around here?
Stay up the street. Not too far, about 15, 20 minutes. Oh, that shit.
Oh, on that one?
Yeah.
I got some homies out there.
She said some hoes. Some hoes.
homies.
Yeah.
You can't be fucking with a hoe. If my girl find out, she gonna shoot me. Yeah, one of the crazy ass girls.
I ain't no nigga can come back here. I probably don't even need to be starting to come back here though.
Or what?
Said I ain't no nigga could come back here though.
Yeah, this is where we parked. This is where we parked.
I already know.
When I first started, I had to go to the front. I had to call their boss. Fucking open the door.
So our boss ain't your boss?
Like, say we got a manager, but he's not like a manager here. Jeff, he's not a manager here.
He not.
He's just covering here. We don't have a manager. So,
He just in this bit.
yeah, I got hired by above them people. You know me, above them.
Your experience is.
I figured it was something
So
about...
you a coding technician?
Yeah, code technician. It's basically a plasma technician type
Plasma
shit.
technician?
Yeah.
I need a goddamn. Try to deal you. Alright, try to get this. probably got all type of hidden stuff. Now, you know, I'm at this job. I wanted to get that because it nigga, it got me on like I'm a terrorist going through organized harassment. Other folk be doing the work. I don't know, they got this shit wide or not. But I don't give a fuck. It's just like, what's your opinion on that shit? Like, damn. I ain't never thought of no shit like that. Making bombs and shit. Like, damn. You don't do shit like that. I get fucked with shit all the damn time. Gangstalked, like I'm a damn terrorist or something. I don't give a fuck though. Hey, I'm trying to fight and survive for me. Fuck you. All type of shit.